Hey guys, hey, your girl's back after how many days? Few days, I guess. After a few days, you guys, I haven't been feeling good to go on the road. It have been very cold to go outside. Yo, it's been crazy. It's been crazy. I've been sick, like sickish, like sick. Anyway, y'all, I am back on the road. It's 1 right now. It's Tuesday, 1:16 p.m. So I was like, you know what? Today is feeling good. It's not that cold. So let me go, y'all. Let me go to make $100. Let's go make $100. So I'm on my way going to Walmart and get orders. Okay, yeah, it's 1:24 right now. I just parked right now at Walmart, and let's see how long it's gonna take for me to give my first order. Let me see, y'all. Let me see, because we know it's have been so slow, and can't do nothing about it, y'all. Can't do nothing about it. A lot of orders are coming. I'm getting a lot of orders, but they have a very high mileage, so and the paying is not even good, like 17. Like they gave me this order was $25 for 15 mayo, 3 drop off. Now they give me 17 mayo for, I think it was 20 something dollars. And it's right now it's 1:32. So I'm here, keep waiting, y'all. I'm still waiting. Finally, 1:40, it's when I received order, y'all. 1:40, and it's $18, and it's going 6 mayo, and it's 3 drop off. Yo, I forget my water. I am thirsty right now, and oh no, I didn't bring no water. Oh my god. I am thirsty. So the pickup time is 1:55. Is it 55? And we have like 15 more minutes to sit in here to wait for them to bring it the order. So let me show you guys Money for Couples. This is the book that I'm reading right now, because 2025 I need to, how do you say that word? I need to step up with my money, with our family money. So I'm so excited to read this book. I have started already over the weekend, and this is what I read so far. So, yo, almost done. I just started, was Saturday. I started this book, y'all. You can get this book on Amazon. Money for Couples. If you wanna learn how to saving money, you and your husband, get this book. Y'all. Get this book. No more stress, no more fights. Just a 10-step plan to create your rich life together. I can't wait. I can't wait. Yo, if I tell you I'm super excited to read this book. Super excited. I get my order, you guys. So this is the front, this is the back seat, and this is the trunk. So I'm about to scan them right now so we can start going. I think one hour and 30 minutes without an order, and finally I received an order, y'all. A shopping order, $17. Oof, $17 is going. Let me give my key. $17 is going to Mayo, and I'm going to shop for 19 items, y'all. Yo, Spark, what happened to you, my baby? Need money, I came to work. Oh my gosh, yo, Spark is changing. I'm telling you guys, I need money. Like sitting in this car is not cute, you know. And today it feels so good. Like I was ready to come to work because the weather is good. It feels so good over here. So So I am done shopping this order, you guys, and this order took me a little extra minutes than usual because most of the item that she wanted, it was not there. So I have to keep texting her to let her know so she can what I can pick and send her pictures, and that's how we was doing it. So I am done and it's time to go deliver it. Thank God it's not going far. We're only going 7 miles. It was 2.7 miles, so that's gonna be like 7 minutes, 8 minutes. Okay. So I'm here at the house delivering our groceries. So the customer just texted me while I was shopping, she said, take your time because I'm getting home at 5 p.m. and right now, and when she texted y'all, I was still shopping the order, so maybe it was probably like 4:20, like no 4:15, and right now it's 4:24. So I am over here. So she just texted me, please can you leave my orders behind that white car? So guess what I'm gonna do as she said. So she don't want her groceries to be snatched. Let me show you where the white car is. So I'm here, that's the door, and that's the white car. So she wants me to leave behind the white car. And for sure, this is the main road here, so anybody can steal her stuff, you know. So I guess she knows her neighborhood, how it is. Should I go this way or this way? Let me come. Okay, let's put it here. Let's put her items very, very good. Ooh, the milk. All right. I guess nobody gonna see here. Nobody is going to see nothing. Okay, let's go back, y'all. So, you guys, this is the ugly truth about Spark. It's about to be 5, y'all, and I only did 2 orders since I came. What time did I come? I think it was 1, y'all. 1. And I just realized that I didn't take a picture. So let's go back and take a picture. Shoo. I forgot, y'all. Let me take a picture right quick. Yeah, so I was saying, this is the ugly truth about Spark. Yo, if I tell you I came ready coming to work, like I came ready coming to make money, and look at this. No orders. And stuff like this pisses you off because you need money, and I don't know. So let me go back and see if I can get like 3 more orders before I go home, because kids tomorrow, they're going back to school, and I'm gonna go home early today. Like by 6 o'clock, I'm gonna be finished. So I hope I can get I can make even $50, you guys. Cause I think I have like $30. So tomorrow when I drop my kids to school, I'm gonna make sure I come work in the morning, y'all. Because your girl need money. I'll make sure I come in the morning. So as soon as I drop them, I'm gonna turn on my Spark, and I hope it's going to be busy. $11 is going 1 mile, and I'm going to shop for 3 items. Yo, this is super slow. I am taking this $11 because I know it's super slow, and I'm about to go home. Y'all. So let's go shop these 3 items and go deliver it and come back. And it's getting cold. It's getting cold over here. So let's drop this. Ooh. It's getting cold. So I'm gonna do one more order and that's it, y'all. That's gonna be it for the day. $13.70, and it's a shopping order, and I'm going to shop for. Oh, let me lock my door, y'all. I didn't lock my car door. So $14 is going 1 mile, and I'm going to shop for 7 items. So let's go. Let's go. This might be my last one. Okay, y'all, let's call it a night, y'all. So from 1 to 5:40, right now it's 5:40. So as I said, this is gonna be my last one. Yeah, we made it $60 in how many hours? Yeah, it's that slow. $60. That's how much. Stop calling me. $60, yo. That's how much money I just made this night. Guess what? I gotta be thankful. You gotta be thankful. So I'm thankful, and I can't wait to come tomorrow and test it out again. I don't know how it's gonna be tomorrow, but I am ready for tomorrow by God's grace. So yeah, and thank you guys for watching. See you tomorrow. Bye-bye. Don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to comment. Don't forget to thumbs up. Bye. See you tomorrow.